Most Windows users get this annoying message when using their computer for an extended period of time, especially with small hard drives or solid-state drives. Today, we are going to fix this without any third-party software. We are going to use Windows Disk Management utility to extend our primary partition, which contain Windows System. Let's begin. Go to your search bar, type Disk Management and press Enter. Clicking on the top search result will open Windows Disk Management utility. Here you can see, we don't have unallocated space on our hard disk. Let's assume we already have some amount of unallocated space. Disk Management utility can't use unallocated space, which are not right behind, to extend a partition. So we need some amount of unallocated space on the right side of our system partition. You can shrink nearest partition to get some unallocated space. But this space simply doesn't gonna work, as Disk Management moves this space to right side. So we have to delete the nearest partition, as it is the only solution with our Disk Management utility. To delete, right-click on the nearest partition, and choose Delete. But before do this, don't forget to move your data to another partition. Otherwise, you will lose all of your data in this partition. After moving all your data to a safe place, you can delete this partition. Now you can see, we have created a new free space, right behind our system partition. It means, we can now extend our system partition easily. Well, let's do it. Just right-click on System Partition, and choose Extend this volume. It will open a new window. Simply click Next. You can choose the new size of your system partition here. I'm okay with the default value, so I click Next. This is the final step. Please double check all your selections and make sure all are fine. Then click Next. Congratulations! You have successfully extended your system partition size. You will not receive those annoying low disk error messages again. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please consider pressing subscribe button, as it encourages us a lot.